This was supposed to be next week's video, but the video that I was wanting to do, that I might have said in the New Haven video, I didn't have time to record it because it would have taken way too long and it would have been too much work to do it, and then the views would not be great on it. So this was supposed to be next week's video, and then the Linden triple chime showing all its chimes was supposed to be the video after this one, but we'll go over there soon to see it. But for right now, I'm doing this because, well, I know that I'm gonna get another grandfather clock soon, and I wanted to show all the chimes on this one, even though I've shown it many times on videos and shorts showing Westminster, St. Michael, Winnington on all the Ridgeway. But this is the second roof I put in this, and since I've changed over the strike rods and chime rods again, they're still the old rods, but I've changed over the strike hammers and now the chime hammers, which makes it sound so much better. The strike hammers are still the same, but it is pretty nice. But as I say again, it's taken me a while to get another grandfather clock because obviously I don't have that money. And it just disappeared again. Well, that's just great. But we'll just go over here real quick. So then here's a triple chime. This will be next week's video. I knew this video was going to be something that I could just slap together in 3 seconds and call it good enough for me. But this is as best as I can do for a Thursday evening. Actually, Thursday night. Pretty late in the night right now as I'm recording this. But for now, thank you for watching.